Alright, hello everybody, it is Andrew here from Central Illinois Weather, and I'm back with another video for everybody today. Today we're going over severe weather potential over the next few days. So we're starting today. This video is being recorded at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, and we currently have a slight risk of severe weather from areas just east of Wichita, Kansas, down through Enid, Oklahoma, to the Oklahoma City area, down to the southwest Oklahoma area. Tornado or two are going to be possible in Oklahoma and Kansas today. Damaging winds are also going to be possible, but the main threat's going to be large hail. We can't roll out a very large hailstone as well. Going in advance from this, not really much severe weather is expected over the next few days, but day 4-3, especially day 5, there could be a severe risk added across portions of the plains. There's a lot of run-to-run variability, but we'll talk about that and more with this. Now, before we get into this, let's talk about the severe weather outbreak that actually happened March 31st through really early April. So everything started actually the day before on March 30th, where we had some large hail across portions of Nebraska. Now, looking in on the severe reports on the 31st, a major tornado outbreak occurred across a lot of the Midwest Ohio Valley down to the Tennessee River Valley. Several deaths occurred. I believe the number is 20 plus at this time. I think something like 25. There were several strong tornadoes, and total number of tornadoes with this outbreak, including April 1st, is over 100 at this point, and ranks as one of the highest outbreaks, highest number of tornado counts ever from an outbreak. Going back to March 31st, this was a double high risk, which is extremely rare. Huge moderate risk area, large 30 or a couple 30% areas, large 15 surrounding them. It was just a historic day for SPC in general, and turned out to be a historic day. This day went enhanced risk. The April 1st did. Tornado potential was limited to Delaware and the Northeast, when we had a pretty significant tornado day with several tornadoes, including an EF3 in Delaware and several EF2s in New Jersey. April 3rd was a rather low-end severe risk day, but there were some hailers and some tornadoes. April 4th, I saw 4 tornadoes across the Midwest in Illinois, with supercell that fired in Missouri, started producing large hail, and really started to rapidly intensify as it moved to the east. We had some strong tornadoes in the morning in Illinois, and big wind and some very large hail as well with that cluster, and it continued into Michigan in the afternoon hours. And then we had a supercell in Iowa produce a intense drill bit tornado. So this day was rather special as well. 1630 is the outlook, double moderate risk driven by strong tornado chances with both of them. And then we had a 30 wind and 30 sig hail. So this last week has been rather crazy. Now, today we aren't expecting it to be as crazy. There could be a couple landspout tornadoes, there could be some damaging wind, and we also could see some large hail, potentially very large hail. Tomorrow, no severe weather is expected. I would not rule out some isolated severe weather on Wednesday in Florida, but other than that, we're not really expecting anything. Day 4, which is Thursday, I'm expecting a marginal risk to be added somewhere from Louisiana through a lot of Florida later today. And then day 5, we could see a day 5 15% or day 4 15% being added for this day from Kansas down into Texas. We'll see. There's definitely going to be a severe threat with that system, but it's kind of hard to judge how significant it's going to be. And then Saturday could also have a severe risk. Friday, there's going to be a rather compact shortwave embedded in a larger area of 500 millibar flow with some strong flow toward the lower levels. Dew points are expected to get into the low 60s in multiple areas. Mean low pressure is expected to be into the 990s, with some models showing it into the mid to lower 990s, which is going to be interesting if that plays out. Probability of supercell composite over 5 is 60% currently, and the probability of supercell composite above 1 is maxed out. So the parameter space showcased here is rather significant, but we're kind of uncertain on storm coverage still. Looking into the next day, the severe threat will probably begin around lunchtime, if there is a severe threat. a rather broad area from Minnesota, Wisconsin down south is where the watch zone is for this event, but we really don't have too much certainty on where this is going to be. Models are really uncertain on where this is going to actually set up. GEFS is a rather compact shortwave ejecting into the upper Midwest, with some embedded disturbances down toward the Gulf Coast that could cause severe weather with upper 60s to low 70s dew points down there, especially in Louisiana and Texas. Moisture in general is an uncertainty given that we had a low pressure system just go through Florida and is up here, which could draw out some of the moisture, which is shown right here. Overall, this is going to be a complex surface pattern over the next few days. I hope you guys enjoyed this short weather update, and please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video.